Gutters are important because they help to protect your home from water damage. When it rains, the water can run off of your roof and into your drainage. It is essential to keep them in good condition as they will collect the water and direct it away from your home. This can help to prevent water damage to your foundation, walls, and landscaping. Leaking or sagging is the most common sign. It may be time for a replacement. Gutters are an important part of your home's exterior and play a vital role in protecting your home from water damage. If you're unsure about when to do it, there are a few key signs to look out for. Your gutters might need to be replaced more often than you think. There are several factors that can affect how often you need a replacement, including the type you have, the materials used, the climate you live in, and the number of trees near your home. If your gutters are falling apart, it's time to replace them. But this is a job best left to the professionals. Roofers have the experience and expertise to safely and correctly install a new one. They will also be able to advise you on the best type and materials to use for your home, based on the slope of your roof and the amount of rainfall in your area.